Hey everyone, welcome back to a cute little video that I have prepared for you guys. Today the rabbit knocked over the carrot tower. Cool. I built her a little carrot tower over there for her to play around with. So today I'm showing off some progress, which is not really progress, it's actually just the beginning of some plant growing. We're going to be growing plants this year. Now, I already have some seeds for planting from last year. That this was my my first experiment with planting. I called them Super Ghost Pepper Glue, or aka Max Singer Royale. And the reason was when you're playing around with this stuff, it was very sticky and a little bit spicy. So I think that's due in part to the compost water, which I was feeding these guys almost on the daily, which was chock full of hot jalapeno peppers and cayenne peppers and whatever, anything I could. And I didn't realize it was going to change it, but it definitely did. It was a very interesting. Yeah, I have 6 seeds from last year. Here we have 5 seeds that were found inside a random jar, and I called it Girardi Blend. A little inside joke for TF2 players. Here we have the Dynamic Duo. I don't know if you can... There it is. Dyna Duo. This is inside the jar that I found the Girardi Blend seeds. I found 2 little seeds wrapped up in a neat little paper wrapping. And I thought, well, I don't know where these came from or who gave them to me, so I'm going to grow them as the Dynamic Duo. This is the JGO brand here. I don't know how those are going to turn out. Hopefully they'll be okay. They're basically just these guys, but for someone else. And last but not least, we have the Altoidians. That's the big group, big group, more than all the other ones over here. And it's basically this is just divergent of the Altoidians. They wanted to be super cool, so they called themselves JGO, like super bullshit, but whatever. And I called them that because I got them from a little Altoids container, and inside the Altoids container was a little baggie with aliens. So they're the Altoidians. Okay, I'm gonna put the grow light up, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Who's a kitty, 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 kitty? Who the little sugar grunt bunny girl you are? Okay, here we go. I got it all set up, and we got this kind of light here, good grow light for these cute little plants that I'll be growing. And oh wow, would you look at that? That's how I was told to have this right on top of this, shining right down on them until they start growing. So that's good for now. I'm going to switch the orientations of this every now and then. I'll go like this, and then I'll go like this, just to make sure it all gets even. And basically, we just leave that on for about 24 hours a day. So I guess that's good night.